I like this park.
I like this park.
What are they doing?
They are jogging.
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 They are
Jogging.
running slowly.
Running slowly.
Slowly.
Look, Bian, he's running to the bus stop. Ha ha ha. He's walking funnily.
Finally.
Ian, he is running. We're walking.
Ha ha ha. I like jogging, but I don't like running. It's funny.
I like jogging.
And I
Jogging.
like it. I like this park.
I like this park.
Hey, a man horse. It's funny.
Oh, Bian. Funny Bian. That's a policeman on horseback.
Hi.
He's riding a horse.
Hi.
He's riding, but the horse is jogging.
Oh, Bian, you are amazing.
Amazing.
I'm not amazing. I'm walking with you guys. Ha ha, Bian. You are amazing. You are great.
Great.
You are super.
Super.
Oh, okay.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey guys, look. The ducks
Look.
are swimming.
Swimming.
Yes, they look nice.
Oh, swimming? No, they are jogging on the water.
Water.
Bian.
They are swimming, not walking.
Bian, you are very funny.
Funny.
Oh, I am.
Hey, let's go to the playground.
Playground.
Hey, guys. Look, those boys and girls are dancing over there.
Oh, yes. And that girl is singing.
Singing.
I like dancing.
Dancing.
Dancing, singing.
Listen, Bian. She's singing there.
Look, Bian, an entire dancing.
Dancing.
Great, Holly. Let's dance.
Come on, Bian. Come here. Let's dance.
Haha, super. I'm dancing.
And sing, please, Bian.
Oh, no.
Singing, Bian. Why are you laughing, Pen?
Laughing.
Let's sing, Bian.
Sing.
Oh, no.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, look. What's that old man doing there?
Doing.
Where?
Where?
On that bench.
Bench.
Oh, yes. What's he doing there?
He's sleeping.
Great. Let's sleep. Haha, Bian. Not now. We sleep in bed at night.
Night.
Oh, that man is sleeping on the bench now. The bench is his bed, right?
Bed.
Oh, no, Bian.
It's night on the bench, right?
Oh no, Bian. It's 3 o'clock now. We sleep at 10 p.m.
O'clock? What is an o'clock? 1 o'clock, but 3 o'clocks, right?
Oh no, Bian. O'clock is a time word. Look, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
Bian, we've got a nice clock at home. Let's learn it at home, okay? Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
What are those kids doing there?
Kids.
Over there.
Oh, those kids.
Kids.
They're jumping.
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 He's up, she's down. He's jumping.
Super, Bian.
I like jumping.
Hey, let's go to the playground there. Great idea. But where's Holly?
Holly.
She's not here.
Holly! Hey, Holly!
Jim, she's hiding behind that tree.
Okay, I'm it.
Ready or not, here I come. Where is Holly?
Come.
Where is Holly? She's not here and not here. No Holly around here. Okay. Holly is hiding and she's not around here. Okay then. Ollie Ollie Oxen 3. Here I am. Now you are it, Pen.
Nice game.
I like hide and seek game. Let's play.
Okay, but at home or in the garden. Not here. Hey, let's go to the playground there.
Playground.
Oh, there's a little girl. She's crying.
Crying.
How are you, sweetie?
Why are you crying?
She's crying. She's unhappy. I don't like crying.
My sandwich.
Sandwich.
That cat is eating it.
It's okay, sweetie. The cat is hungry.
Hungry.
How about an ice cream?
Are you happy now?
She's happy.
Happy.
And I like ice cream.
Yes, I like ice cream. I like ice cream. Oh no, that bird is eating my ice cream.
No, Bjorn. Your ice cream is flying.
Flying.
It's okay, Bian. It's a hungry bird. Here you are.
Thank you, Ken, I'm happy.
And the bird's happy.
And the cat's happy.
And the little girl's happy.
You are hungry. You eat and you are happy.
Yes, Bian. You are bright.
Bright? I am bright? What's bright? Not stupid.
You are talking very funny things. You are joking. We are laughing. You are bright.
Oh, all kids are bright. I don't like the stupid kids, men or women.
Fine. Let's go and watch that basketball match.
Basketball match.
Oh, boys are playing against girls.
Go.
Nice match.
Match.
That's basketball. I like basketball.
Basketball.
Oh no, that boy is pushing this girl.
Push it.
Look, poor girl has fallen down.
Not
Falling.
right.
She's crying.
Oh no, that's bad. I don't like that boy.
Oh, I don't like basketball.
No, Bjorn. That's not basketball. That boy is rude.
The match stops. They are waiting for the girl.
I don't like that boy. He's,
Rude.
yes, he's rude.
Rude.
Let's go. I like basketball, but I don't like that boy.
Yes, that boy is stupid. The girls are angry at that boy.
And the other boys are angry at him.
They're friends. Basketball is a friendly sport.
Basketball players are kind and friendly.
Kind.
Oh, that boy is not a basketball player, right?
Let's go, guys.
Yay.
Look, what are those men doing there?
Man.
They are working here.
What
They are
is?
cleaning the park.
Clean.
I like clean parks.
Come on, guys. I'm thirsty. Let's have a drink.
Great idea. A Coke for me, please.
Coke.
I'm having a lemonade.
A glass of milk for me, please.
Milk.
You are a baby.
I like milk. I'm not a baby.
Have a glass of
Baby.
milkshake then, Jenny.
Good idea. You are very bright, Holly.
Thank you.
I'm not thirsty, I'm tired. And I'm tired and hungry.
How about you, Bien?
He's thinking deeply.
We say he's out to lunch in America. He's not here.
Bien, you are thinking much, right?
What? Holly? Sorry.
What are you thinking about very deeply?
Oh, sorry, I'm okay.
Bien, you are out to lunch.
Oh, no, I'm full now.
No, Bien, In American English, it is thinking deeply.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I'm happy here.
Okay, guys, let's walk home. But slowly, please.
Oh, yes. Let's go home and relax.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Oh, I'm tired.
Tired.
This is a clock.
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 These are the hands of the clock. The short one is the hour hand, and the long one is the minute hand.
Hand.
Oh, hands. My hands. Clock hands.
Your hands are okay, Bian. One is not short and one is not long.
Now these figures, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, those are the teeth of the clock.
Teeth.
Oh, Bian, you're bright and funny.
Funny.
Bian, hands of the clock and the teeth of the clock.
Now the hour hand is pointing at 1, and the minute hand is pointing at 12.
It's 1 o'clock.
Oh, clock. Clock.
Oh, Bian, o'clock is off the clock shortly.
Oh, the hour hand is pointing at 2. It's 2 o'clock.
Right, Bian.
Right.
Look, Bien. There are 5 minutes between 12 and 1,
5
and 1
minutes.
and 2, and between 2 and 3.
Oh, yes. There are 5 minutes between the figures.
Great, Bian.
Look, Bian, there are 60 minutes in an hour, and there are 24 hours in a day.
Day.
Oh, okay. What is there in a minute?
Very well, Bian. There are 60 seconds in a minute.
Minute.
A second is very short. It's a second.
Oh, a second.
That's my friend, Bian. He is fantastic.
Very well. Let's watch a film now.
Film now.
Bien is very calm. He's not asking a question.
Question.
Okay, Bian. Right?
Right.
Oh, my friend Bian is sad.
Sad.
He is sad.
Sad.
Why?
He's not watching the film.
Film.
He's thinking about... what?
I don't know.
Bian.
Bian, why are you unhappy? You look sad. Oh, sorry guys, I'm okay.
No, you're not okay. You are sad.
Oh, I don't know. This film is,
Bian, we are your friends. Please.
oh, okay. I'm thinking about hope, my star.
Oh, Bian, you are homesick.
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 Look, Bian, my home is in America. I'm happy here, but I miss home.
Home.
Oh yes, I'm happy here. I like you guys here. You are my friends. But I miss my home, my star.
Star.
Okay, Bien. I miss my home. I like my cousins and friends here. I'm not homesick, but I...
Oh, it's nice here. Great friends here. I'm learning English here. I have delicious food and drinks here. But, I miss home.
Yay. Yay.